Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Toriiseju and I do beauty, lifestyle and natural hair videos. So don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. No one ever makes me feel I'm going to be talking about how to use cloves for faster hair growth. So I've seen most people talk about how cloves did not work for them. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to properly use cloves to incorporate it in your routine for you to see your hair thrive more. I recently started using clove water on my hair and I've seen my hair change a lot in this past month of this year, and I've seen a lot of changes to my hair, and I decided to share with you how I incorporate it in my hair and how it has worked for me, because I've seen a lot of people talk about how cloves did not work for them, how it broke their hair, how it caused them for their hair to increase hair loss, their hair was falling out. So I'm here to share like the tips that I've used to. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is most people are saying that cloves destroy their hair. So there's another problem is suffering from moisture overload. Moisture overload mostly happens to hair that have low hair porosity. I have high hair porosity, so using cloves water on my hair has been a major problem. So if you're suffering from moisture overload, it can cause your hair to break a lot more and can cause major hair loss. So now if you're using cloves water and you're using it like every single day and you have low hair porosity, this can cause you to have moisture overload, because first off, low hair porosity, your hair doesn't absorb moisture fast. It doesn't absorb moisture as fast as high hair porosity. So the water just sits on your hair and you're constantly always adding cloves water to your hair every single day. This can cause moisture overload, and when you have moisture overload, your hair is going to break. So that can be the problem to why your hair is breaking, and I'm going to share with you how you can solve that. How to properly use cloves water on your hair for people that have low hair porosity. So the first thing you're going to do is that do not use cloves on your hair every single day, because you have low porosity. That means your hair doesn't absorb moisture as fast as high hair porosity. Apply it twice or 3 times a week on your hair. And the second thing is that when you are applying cloves water to your hair, do not apply it on the length of your hair, rather focus on your scalp. This will help the cloves to do its work and work better, because cloves work better on your scalp. Then after you apply it on your scalp, use your fingers, use your palm and do a scrunching method for your hair to absorb that water. Third thing is apply in small amounts. Do not apply a lot on your hair. You have low hair porosity, so your hair takes a while for it to absorb that moisture. To avoid moisture overload, apply it in smaller quantity. When you're done applying this, because it's a treatment on your hair, most of the times you can go in with oils, you can go in with creams, but do not use heavy creams or oils. Always go in with lightweight oils to avoid build-up or to avoid your scalp from being clogged up, because you're using this product, you're using cloves water to grow your hair faster, and if your scalp is clogged up or you have like a lot of build-up, it's going to limit your hair growth. So always make sure that you use lightweight oils to seal in that moisture. Also, if you have low hair porosity, if you can't use cloves water because you're trying to avoid moisture overload, I suggest you using cloves oil. It also works the same way and works even better. So applying clove oil to your routine is another way to get the benefit of cloves on your hair. The last thing I'm going to talk about is using it as a rinse. You can always use cloves as a rinse. After washing your hair, you can use it as a rinse. That's like the last thing I'm going to talk about on how to use clove water, especially if you have low hair porosity. Something I want to mention: if you had a problem prior to using clove water on your hair, if you have an underlying problem, or if you saw that your hair was breaking off a lot, that means you have a prior problem to using cloves, and using cloves might not be the reason why your hair is breaking. So if you had a problem before using cloves, try and treat that problem first off before actually using cloves water, because cloves water helps to grow your hair. It doesn't treat damaged hair. So I have a video on how you can treat your damaged hair before actually using cloves water, because the reason why you might be seeing your hair is breaking off might not be cloves water. It might be another problem you're having and you're not doing anything towards it, so your hair is still breaking off. So try and solve that problem before actually using cloves. End of this video. If you have any questions on cloves or how I use it, how I incorporate it in my routine, I can make a whole video on how I use cloves on my hair for a week, so that you can see how to properly use cloves. Let me know if you would like to see that video. And also, just to mention that I have high hair porosity, so my routine might look different from others, but if you have high hair porosity, you can also follow my routine and see if it will work for you. Yeah, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. And also, if you have suggestions or answers to questions for people, you can also leave it in the comment section so that other people can learn. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, it really helps, and to also like this video, it really helps this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.